Hi all, welcome to TCM Education and yesterday's picks. So 5 picks yesterday, September 26th, and let's recap them, starting first with the S&P 500. And what happened yesterday is not very pretty. Again, we started with a gap up, traded higher, then turned lower, closed the gap, then moved higher again to the highs of the day, and then ended up near the highs of the day. So 4 major trend changes in an otherwise 1% range. So the range was actually less than 1%, $4, three quarters of 1% range. So the range was, let's call it okay, decent, but again, as long as we don't get any continuation, it makes things harder. So let's discuss the two most exciting and profitable trades. Let's start with IREN. IREN was a clear gap down and go situation, and you can see the potential entries here in IREN, either 43 at the open, hold on a second, let's do it the right way. So those are the potential entries, either 43.50 or 43 if you want to trade it at the open. And then it takes a beautiful dive of $3, then reverses all the way up. But again, the problem with IREN is that it trades so choppy. I mean, every 3-minute bar spends more than $1. So that's I mean, very tough to control. And if you missed on this 43 entry, then you have a problem. So either 43.50 or 43. I talked about it, but again, talking is cheap without acting on this type of trade. So very tough to act. So that's one trade that delivered. The second trade that delivered, although late in the day, was this concentrics. And look at this price action. So again, very careful. Basically drops under 43, which I'm sure trapped many people at the open. Ricochets up $6, crazy. Then does nothing for most of the trading day, and then drops late in the day. So very tough, very tough situation. Yet there was a potential trade for those who waited here at this 49 breakout. Too bad it dropped so late in the day. So that was pretty much the trading day yesterday.